is Navya. I am Miss Nature teacher. God has gifted me with several superpowers. I can fly and I am super strong. I have converted e-waste and plastic into biodegradable materials. I have visited many places from all over the world and tried to solve many environmental problems. I have diverted water from flooded area to water scarce areas. I have converted barren lands into grasslands. At many places, I have reduced pollution level by converting smoke into fragrance. But all these powers are of no use if I don't get support from you. So I request you all, please join your hands with me in saving Mother Earth. The greatest power is the ability to bring a change in yourself. So stop complaining and be the change you want to see in the world. At last, I say, on behalf of Mother Nature, I request you all, don't waste water, save electricity and grow more and more trees and plants. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.